check this out. It's real.
Cat Trial 13 Goodnight, Goodnight was really inspired by the children's book, Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site.
We had a lot of fun trying to bring a storybook to life.
It's the perfect way to talk about preventative maintenance.
We want to make sure that our customers are avoiding any unplanned downtime. Nighttime's a great time to do that because the machines are in bed.
Majority of the book is in the evenings and at night, getting everybody organized to work very, very, very late nights and then come back early in the morning to set up the day scenes was definitely a challenge. Luckily, here at Tanaha Hills, we have a lot of our mining equipment.
You really can't appreciate until you literally feel the rumbling. I really do think that's why kids love these vehicles so much. They're like these giant heroes.
Millions of kids around the world are going to get to enjoy this in a whole different way. And that's the fun part, that only Caterpillar could do that.